Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to hide a folder in Windows 11 without using any software. This is useful when you want to keep certain files out of sight. Let's begin. First, locate the folder you want to hide. Right-click the folder and choose Properties. In the Properties window, you will see an option called Hidden. Check the box next to Hidden. Click Apply, then click OK. The folder will now disappear from the normal view. If you want to see hidden folders again, open File Explorer. Click the View tab. Select Show, then enable Hidden Items. The hidden folder will now appear slightly transparent. Or click on the three dots next to View. Now click Options, then select the View tab. Check the option Show Hidden Files, Folder, and Drives. And the folder will appear again. If you want to make it appear completely again, then right-click the folder, go to the Properties, and uncheck the Hidden option. And that's how you hide a folder without installing any software.